Thank you guys for coming to my unboxing video. I purchased these supplements with my own money. So I'm gonna tell you what I got, and then I'm gonna try to make some shorts to tell you what's in each one. And then when I finish them, or in a couple weeks or whatever, I'm gonna tell you what I think about them. I'm gonna tell you if I think they're worth it. I'm gonna tell you, just what I think. I've tried some supplements before, some different branched chain amino acids, protein, stuff like that, creatine. So I just bought some different brands that I never heard of before, or that I wanted to try, but I never tried before, or different flavors. I was specifically looking for some ingredients for my joints, for extra protein, for more protein synthesis from BCAAs, some extra creatine for hydration to the muscles. So yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, first we got a gluten-free fettuccine. This is made with black soybeans and grain. It's very high in protein and fiber. That's why I wanted to try it. Okay. Let me see if this one goes with, there's two by this brand. Okay. So this is from Condemned Labs. I've never tried them before, but it has electrolytes, amino acids, branched chain amino acids. This is specifically for hydration. It says repair and recovery. So I did buy this because I was looking for some BCAAs to try. I wanted to try a different flavor. I happened to find this for a good price, so I just went with it. I'll let you guys know. Next, I have a protein powder that you put in your coffee that you can use as a creamer. This is made by Magnum Essentials, and essentially I drink a lot of coffee, so I was looking for something that would to add some protein to my coffee. So I'll let you know what I think. I don't know a lot about it yet. Speaking of coffee, I found a Dunkin' Donuts flavored protein. This is made by Dymatize. I've used their protein before. It's very good quality. ISO 100 is one of the best on the market, so I was happy to find a Dunkin' Donuts flavor. And this one actually has 95 milligrams of caffeine in each scoop if you are interested. Probably don't take it at night. Another kind of protein I got is made by Cellucor. A lot of people know this brand. I believe they make the C4 if anyone's tried it. This protein I chose because it has some glutamine, creatine, and it also says it's no soy and gluten-free, chocolate flavored. NSF certified. So, yep, from the makers of C4. How did I know? Everybody knows what that is. So, let's see. Try this out. This company, I got a few different things. This is actually the same product in two different flavors. This is Citrus Twist and Berry Fusion. And I chose this because this is plant-based amino acids. It also has glutamine in it. And I've been trying to get some more greens in my diet, so I chose this brand. I'm going to let you know how that goes. This is actually 1 gram of carbs, a little more than 3 grams of BCAAs, and 1.5 grams of glutamine. Okay, so this I want to show you also by this brand. I think it's the same brand. I got their greens since I don't eat as many vegetables as I should. These are also vegan. I wanted to add some more vegetables into my diet. See how I feel, extra antioxidants, immune system support, stuff like that. Let's see. This is the BioSteel brand again. This is a superfood, sport greens. This is all different kinds of greens. There's some potassium, sodium, iron in here. This is probably the jar version of this, right? Yep, sport greens, different flavor. So I did get these, are just single pack sticks. Sometimes I'm on the go, and these have 0 grams of sugar. This is made by a brand called Extend. On the go. So this is their branched chain amino acids that you can take with you. There's also betaine in here, potassium, some salt, different vitamins, hydration, 0 grams of sugar, 0 artificial sweeteners, and 6 amino acids. So I'll let you know what I think. I believe I've had the Extend BCAAs before, never a single serving, but I'm not exactly sure if I remember. This is a simple, I needed another shaker, protein shaker. So this is a brand. I have tried their stuff before. I've used their protein. PRTCL is the brand. This one is called Repair. It's in mint limeade. It's basically essential amino acids, branched chain amino acids, potassium, sodium, different vitamins, and and coconut water. Great. So this one is called Repair. This one is called Stamina. This has a little caffeine in it and beta alanine. It's almost like a mild pre-workout. 100 milligrams of caffeine is very mild. Made from coffee. Not caffeine anhydrous is a little harder hitting. And this is called Support, same brand, PRTCL. This one is unflavored. I'm going to mix this one and probably the greens and a scoop of BCAAs. I'm going to try to do that at least once a day. I'm going to do one brand at a time, see how I like it. Just open one at a time. This one, actually, I bought this because it has elderberry and green tea to try to keep me healthy. This one, I've never taken anything like this before. This is a collagen peptide. If anyone knows about it, you can let me know. There's 11 grams of collagen in each serving. No sugar, keto, paleo friendly, gluten free. Seems like it's good for you. Hopefully it'll help my skin, I think. There's also amino acids in here. Great, perfect. Let's see. This is if anyone's tried Rule 1, they make a great protein, super high quality. This is their amino, and it also has a little bit of energy in it for hydration, recovery with electrolytes. Yeah, probably a little bit of the same of the other stuff I bought. It has 130 milligrams of caffeinated tea leaf extract and 500 milligrams of electrolytes, which is great. This is something I've never tried before. If anyone's tried it, you can let me know. This is a protein that comes out clear. Never heard of anything like, I've heard of it, but I've never tried it, you know what I'm saying? 0 grams of sugar, 20 grams of protein. That's amazing. Gluten-free, 5 grams of BCAAs. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. This is pineapple orange. Animal, great brand. They make the animal packs. You can take like 15 vitamins in the morning if you want. These I can't wait to try. I've tried biotin in the past, but never this brand. This is Healthy Delights, 5,000 micrograms of biotin. Yeah, there's a little sodium, a little sugar, a little carbs, 0 fat, 0 trans fat, half a gram of total fat. Those two go together. This brand, let me see, I think the brand is called Clout, and this is called, Pair It With Control. They must make another product called Control. This is for recovery, hydration, and replenishment. Ooh, blueberry snow cone. Probably tastes good. So I believe this is sort of for pump. I'm gonna have to read about There's a little more. I forget what I ordered it. There is a few things, 5 grams of BCAAs and a few things. I'm not sure what they are. So when I make a short about this, I'll let you know about each one. I'll research the brand a little bit. This brand everybody probably knows, called Redcon 1. They have a few great products. This is one of their updated new pre-workouts, not one of the crazy old ones they used to make. It has a huge list of stuff in it, so I can go through this for you. I will tell you it has huperazine in it, but yeah, I'm going to make a short about this. I'll tell you everything about it. I've tried this brand before. I've tried a few different products. I think it's a great brand, Redcon 1. Good stuff. Highly recommend this. If you know you're going to have a heavy day in the gym, try to find yourself some cyclic dextrin, not sugar, in my opinion. You can use sugar, same thing, but I just don't personally like to use sugar. This is this amazing product. It's by Allmax Carbohydrates, it's called. There's another one, Cycle D or something. Somebody else makes a cyclic dextrin that's awesome. So this, you might be wondering, what is cyclic dextrin? So this is 25 grams of carbs, which is 12 grams of cyclic dextrin, and that amounts to 0 grams of sugar. How do they do that? I don't know, but it works for me. Gives you a crazy pump if you're working out. Take a scoop of this. Love it. Great stuff. It has some absorption stuff in it, electrolytes, and it's phased for different deliveries. This is a great brand. Great brand. 0 sugar, 100 calories. 25 carbs. I've tried it before. I'm excited to have it again. So we've been talking about glutamine. This is just a individual raw version of glutamine. It's by the same BioSteel brand. I'm going to add it to my protein. I'm going to add it to my pre-workout, stuff like that. The only thing in here is glutamine. It's for assists in muscle cell repair after exercise, supports digestive system health, and also helps support immune system health. Exactly why I want it. So this, I've tried melatonin before, but this is a melatonin that has a few different herbs with it. It has GABA in it, L-theanine, blueberries, holy basil, L-glutamic acid, taurine, and tart cherry. If anyone's tried those things before, let me know what you think. Melatonin usually helps me sleep pretty good. It's supposed to be non-habit forming. I try not to take it every day. Actually, I don't take it very often. But when I do take it, I never take it every day. But supposedly it's safe. This one is for my immune system. The brand is called Physician's Choice. And it has something called Epicar, which is dried yeast fermentate. I've never tried this before. I'm gonna see how I feel after I take it. I never like to take anything that really changes my mood or it makes you feel different. But like, you don't really know if vitamins are working, I guess. But over the course of time, if you feel a little better, taking one thing or the other. Okay, I did get one more thing. It's not in this package. I got a joint supplement. The reason I just thought of that is because this is also a joint supplement. This is Centrum. This is more, this is also turmeric based. Okay, so the other one that turmeric and tart cherry, pomegranate, and hyaluronic acid. Perfect. So the other one I bought is also turmeric based. Normally when I think of something that's for your joints, I think of glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM. It's pretty common. But I wanted to try something different. So hopefully this turmeric helps. The other one I got is ginger based, so we'll see how it helps. This I got is a version of Slim Fast, but it's made, excuse me, it's made by Slim Fast, but it's basically just almost like a super mild fat burner. It has green coffee bean, green tea, caffeine, apple cider vinegar, thiamine, 1 gram of carbs, 0 sugar, a little bit of potassium, sodium, magnesium for hydration. Yeah, I just grabbed these. These are on the go packs. You never know when you're on the go and you need something like that. Which is also why I grabbed this brand by Body Right. These are called Boost. It says you can add them to your protein shakes, smoothies, and any beverage because it's unflavored. This has something I've never tried before. It has 1 gram of prickly pear cactus. It's for collagen, basically. So I'm gonna try that out. Got a couple more. This one, I believe, is the same brand as the ginger-based gummies I got, turmeric. This is a Mood and Mind gummy made with lion's mane, chaga, and cordyceps. It's different kinds of herbal mushrooms to support mood, focus, clarity with these mushroom-based vitamin gummies. So yeah, I've never tried anything like that. I'm gonna let you know how they taste. I hope they taste good. Last but not least, I got this brand. I've never tried this brand, but I believe the brand is called After Dark. This one is for Pump, EPO Plus it's called. The reason why I chose it is because it has a little bit of creatine in it, glycerol, glycogen polymers, arginine, alpha ketolate. It has 2 different kinds of citrulline in it, so this should give you a nice pump. And it says to pair it with this one, which is their other version of creatine. It has 10 grams creatine per scoop, but there's different types of creatine in it. It has some taurine, glycerol, and betaine. Banaba leaf, more glycogen polymers, and last but not least, deer antler velvet extract. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. I've never tried either of these brands. I'm gonna let you know what I think. I'll let you know how they taste when I do a short for each one. So glad you came. Glad you got to see everything. I wanted to unbox it for you guys. Okay. Night. Thanks for watching.